And the other dimension, which has grabbed a lot of attention, is this idea put forward by Professor Draghi in his report from last autumn, that he puts forward a bit this balance in between the footprint of non-European cloud providers. And here I'm really speaking about cloud providers, not data centers anymore, really the ones providing the final services. What Professor Draghi says is, on the one hand, the footprint of non-European actors is so strong in Europe that there's no alternative but to accept it and play along and work with them. But at the same time, the EU must have the ambition, and is quoted here, to regain and retain control over data and sensitive cloud services.